Hello, I'm Kirk Catt with Coldwell Banker Tomlinson, and I want to welcome you to the last weekend of September and the wonderful weather that we enjoy every fall here in the Tri-Cities. Here are our open houses that are scheduled for this weekend. We'd like to invite you to come out and visit with us and take a look at our wonderful selection. Hope to see you there. You're not going to be able to take out parts that are good.
I know.
Okay. All right, this will take me a couple times because I haven't got it worded in my head the way that I want it to be. But in September, to the last weekend in September, and the wonder of there are no outtakes when I do this. No.